What is up, everyone? Today I want to talk about something that I mentioned before during my streams, is that I don't practice drawing at all, or I should say I don't do any meaningless practice. You often see other people, they draw X amount of hours every day to practice, or they just go out and draw like 1 or 2 hours from time to time just to practice. I never do that kind of stuff. I never do that kind of stuff on my own. Never. Let me show you something real quick. So this is my DeviantArt page. Let's go to my gallery. Actually, let's go to all folder. So this was a drawing that I did back in 2010, and same with this. So this is how I used to draw, okay? This was my level back in 2010. And after this too, I did a drawing of Tifa Lockhart in 2011. And then after that, I drew K-Dash from King of Fighters, also 2011. And after this drawing, okay, the one that I did was Jim Raynor, which is my signature drawing, the most challenging, the most difficult drawing I ever did. Like, not even all my other drawing combined can match how difficult it is to do this drawing. Now, you see, this is back in 2010, okay? And this is 2014, 2015. Like, between these drawings, I did not draw anything else. And before this two drawing that I did back in 2010, there was like 10 years before, more than 10 years, that I did not draw at all. So it took me like 3 or 4 drawings from this to this. So to me, the most important part is to understand how everything works and how everything goes. Once you understand how everything works, how everything goes, it's all that matters. It's really not about how much you practice. It's about how much you learn from what you do. If you don't learn anything from what you do, then I don't care if you draw like 10,000 pieces per day, you practice 18 hours a day, I don't care. It is still good for nothing. I just don't encourage mindlessly drawing and meaningless practice. I'm not against working hard, okay? You do have to work hard, but you also have to work smart. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to leave a comment or question down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.